Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be drawing a day at a park with a balloon seller. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. This tutorial is meant to benefit your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, who invented the hot air balloon and when? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. If you don't, stay till the end to know it. Remember running in the park laughing with friends? Then you saw the balloon man and grandpa got you the brightest one. Keeping that in mind, let's begin with our drawing. Let's start with drawing the balloon seller uncle who is in a forward bending position giving a balloon. Use basic shapes in the first stage of the drawing. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. His left hand is holding on to all the colorful balloons, while his hand is stretched out forward to give you a balloon. Now let's draw ourselves taking the balloon from uncle. Proportion is a very important factor as you are a kid, so you will be proportional smaller compared to the balloon seller. You are standing straight taking the balloon using your left hand, so it will be outstretched in front. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Now let us draw our grandpa who is buying us the balloon standing behind us. He is using his stick to stand. Draw him just like we did for the balloon seller. Let's add details like clothes and expression to all the characters to make them more alive. After that, let's draw in the background of the park. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match a sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a day at the park drawing. Now coming back to the artistry trivia question. The hot air balloon was invented by the Montgolfier brothers Joseph Mitchell and Jacques-Étienne Montgolfier in 1783. They were French inventors who successfully launched the first manned hot air balloon flight in Paris. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.